1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Vybz Kartel!
From SouFLoTV. We'll say it again. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Vybz Kartel!
Happy birthday, world boss. Big up yourself. Yes? Alright. So, big up to Vybz Kartel, aka World Boss, aka Cake Soap Jackson, and a whole list of other names them call him, Gaza Dan them call him, all kind of names. We know him as Vybz Kartel, we know him as Adijah Palmer, we know him as World Boss, alright? We have to big him up from SouFLoTV. It is your 40th birthday. We don't wish this for you, because your second birthday this in a prison. I fight a life sentence. But we know say you must free pan appeal and you must come around. SouFLoTV wouldn't be SouFLoTV if we never come out here and say big up the boss. Alright? And just like we give a moment of silence to people when time people get killed and them thing that the money are real done. So we'll give a moment of you stay silent while me read a little bit of something about Vybz Kartel. And this is for anybody that has never tuned into SouFLoTV before and you're just tuning in. Welcome to the channel. Alright. So we're going to read a little bit about him for you, to familiarize you with him. A little bit from back then, leading up to where we are today. Alright? It's not going to take too long. And if you're a real Vybz Kartel fan, a real Gaza fan, then you're going to stick around for it. Alright? 2 minutes out of your time. Just for honor the man, just to say, happy birthday, bossy. Hope you're free pan appeal and soon come home. Alright. So, Vybz Kartel is a controversial figure and a superstar in his homeland. Not only his homeland, now he's a superstar around the world. Vybz Kartel hailed from one of the leading new artists to emerge from dancehall following the release of his 2003 debut album. Alright. Up to the time, if you don't know about up to the time, he was a real fan. Alright? Born and raised in a Waterford, big up Waterford district of Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica, Kartel was only 12 years old when he released his first single. So how long the man are doing thing? And the first single name was Fat Woman, or Fat Woman, under the name of Adijah Palmer. In 1996, he formed, remember, watch this, I go way back to 96, In 96, he formed Vybz Kartel with his friends, Mr. Lee and Escobar. But the group quickly dissolved. Vybz would keep the group name as his alter ego when he went off to become a solo artist. Immediately joining forces with one of ours. So Kartel dropped out of alliance led by Bounty Killer, right? And that's 2005. Immediately following that, him joined forces with Bounty Killer's enemies, as them say. Beenie Man. Beenie Man and Killer today is not enemy. Beenie Man and Killer today call themselves legends. And them do shows together. Alright? So, Kartel would be out after alliance and go join forces with Beenie Man. He then released a series of diss tracks aimed at Bounty Killer's new protege, Movado. And it only took a moment before Jamaican media were entranced. So then came the Gully Gaza thing and all them thing, the 2007, 2008 and 2009. In 2009, Vybz Kartel released Life We Live In, the single, which called for peace. He also stepped outside his usual genre that year and partnered with electro producer Diplo for a track on the Major Lazer album, Guns Don't Kill People, Lasers Do. Alright. Back home, fans had become so divided into the Gully Gaza camp thing. Gang violence broke out into the street and all these things. People stopped say JLP and PMP. Politicians get scared and say the people them not go vote again. Cause them two little ghetto youth here come run the elections and come become the next prime minister and the next contender to be prime minister, cause the whole of the country has said Gully or Gaza. So SouFLoTV say because of them things that them box food out of certain people's mouth and go through them things that them lock up the lizard thing and them lockdowns, them give him 35, right? After 35 eligible for parole. That was in early 2014 when he was sentenced to life in prison. Alright. So, a quick little rundown, we could have read a whole heap of things, but we're not going to do that. We're just there today to say, No big thing, no big deal, no big deal. Appeal coming up, and although them a jam up and a stop up the appeal process the best way them can. Can't see what them a do with the thing. Hear the big excuse about court reporter move out of the country and go and live overseas. So in a big Jamaica, although Jamaica little, one court reporter Jamaica have. John no star. So you can see what them a do with the thing already. Okay? But with that said, we're still there, holy faith, and we're still there, so the man soon come out and him soon be free. Right? So every cartel fan, every Gaza fan, at the count of 1, 2, 3, we're gonna say free Vybz Kartel. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Yeah man, SouFLoTV, like, comment, share, and subscribe. The link up. We're out of here. Peace.